Now we'll discuss the right operation for the 60 CMOS. One thing to note, the transistors P3 and P4, they act as access transistors to access the bit lines BL and BL bar, or B and B bar. Now for the right operation, we are going to assume Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1. The right line is again going to be high, and the bit bars, the bit and bit bar lines are going to be acting as input lines. Here we force the bit bar line to ground, basically 0. Why? Because when Q bar is equal to 1, Q bar is equal to 1 and BL bar is 0, the value here, the voltage here can discharge like this, and therefore the value stored in between the four transistors will discharge. And therefore if during discharge the voltage in this transistor is affected, when this becomes less than the NMOS threshold voltage, then the NMOS turns off and the PMOS turns on. Okay, so therefore we know that the PMOS will give a good one, and therefore the Q was initially 0 and now Q becomes 1. So we have essentially written Q is equal to 1. This is a right operation for the 60 CMOS.